Hello and welcome for another round. So today we're going to be checking out some of these lights here that you can get for plants at Amazon. Here we have the mother plant. She's a Swedish ivy, and it's very easy to take clips from her and make new plants so that you can give to your friends or family, or just make new plants for somewhere else in your house. And here we have aloe vera. We have a few different aloe vera plants going on in the grow room. There's a few little scragglers here that she's a very old plant, about 15 years old, and I cut her back expecting it to be passed over, but she just keeps on going. Look at her go. Okay, here we have lights, different kinds of lights that I use in the grow room. The aloe vera love these purple ones. You can set it to bloom and to veg there. Different brands, just check out Amazon. You need the good white lights though. These purple ones only do good with certain plants, I've noticed. Now we're taking a look at just the white light here. I have two of those. The other one's in the living room. You will see at the back here some Swedish ivy arms that fell off the mother plant, and they'll do just fine. Stick the arms in some dirt and they'll take off and you'll be happy. Well, thanks for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe and hang out for some more. We're going to leave it here with some of my art. Abstract Spiritualism artist, Hot Air.